We've just got our hands on the a6700. Look at it right here. It's a beauty, and we're out here gonna take some photos, take some videos. We're at the freaking Motorsport, vlogging on the ZVE1 right now. That is the plan, and yeah, we're gonna see what this is all about. Chuck it on the POV. This is my true first opinions. I literally got my hands on the camera. It's really loud right now. I need to stop vlogging. We gotta get shooting. Let's do this.
My life like a movie, just keep moving, it's a trailer. Shopping in my kitchen, got me trying to get my cake up.
We have the a6700 in my hands right now. 7200 Mark II. So the shots before was when I just touched the camera, and unfortunately I wasn't even using the AI autofocus. My settings were in a mess. I just got the camera in my hands. So after some tweaking, so it's taking me a solid 10 minutes to even get the autofocus to work properly. I've been doing this without the proper autofocus, but I don't know if you can see there, it's actually locking onto the car, which is so good. Truth be told, the ZVE1 is like more usable. It is some pretty cool footage. Like, oh wait. Oh no, I lied. This does have the usable ZVE1 kind of menus as well, so this is pretty good. And yeah, let's try and get a decent shot out here. Active mode is a little bit jittery on the panning, which is to be expected. Just go standard. Oh, that is much better. In general, active stabilization, great for back and forth, not really great for panning or orbiting. So we got a few shots there. Don't judge me, I never shoot cars. This is probably the first time actually shooting a car like willingly and not impromptu. But the camera's holding up great. The Sony video looks fantastic. Sony video has come a long way. You used to have to overexpose your S-Log3 by a ton to make it look decent. But now with all these 10-bit cameras, the footage looks very good. It's hard to tell the differences between my ZVE1, but obviously the big difference is in the low light. Anyway, let's keep testing this thing out and see what we get. Panning shot is an absolute dud. Oh, how's it going, mate? Because I have no idea how to take photos of cars, I was on a mission to get a nice panning shot. For now, we're taking some slow shutter video, which is nice and cool for an aesthetic reel. Alright, so far, I've got some shit panning shots that have not worked. I've recorded some very basic video. And now, we're going to shoot this cool Joker car. A straight hand gimbal. I don't know how to shoot a freaking car. Let's get a detailed shot. Oh, handheld.
It's a layup. My life like a movie, just keep moving, it's a trailer. Shopping in my kitchen, got me trying to get my cake up. I think got the hardest coming, so we got straight up. All in my car, high step, it's a layup. My life like a movie, just keep moving, it's a trailer. Shopping in my kitchen, got me trying.
Alright, this is my first time holding the new 72-200, the macro f4. And it is tiny, man. I'm going to try and put the macro to good use right now. I'm going to find a guy that has a nice eye so we can get a beautiful eye shot. That's how we're going to make use of the macro, right? That's the plan. Let's go find someone. Hey mate, can I borrow your eye on this brand new 70-200 macro?
Yeah.
I reckon, so just like stand here and just like look in that direction. I'm just gonna get like your eye blinking because the macro lens. I need to put this on manual. Jeez.
How many drones you lost? Tell me.
I've only lost one.
Tell me the truth.
I've only lost one.
The only one which you filmed.
Yeah, no, I've only lost one, like truthfully.
But you created that video. I lost 2 weeks ago.
Oh no.
GoPro 11 Luma 55.
Oh my god, is that drone good?
It's insane.
Really?
Same as 5-inch without GoPro. That's why it's 5.5 inch.
Cool. That's pretty good, mate. If you can, go for it. So I reckon if you just like look this way and then bring the camera to your eye when I tell you to.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna like lock focus on your eye, like real macro. So can you look that way?
Yeah.
When I tell you to, just bring the viewfinder to your eye. All right, so go for it. Oh, I should get the other eye. Just give me like a little blink kind of thing. So just look in that direction.
Yeah.
Go for it. Think a bit more.
How's the camera? How is it?
Do you have a look, mate? It's great form factor.
Yeah.
Feels great, yes.
Oh, what's it going for?
2.4 Australian.
Yeah, right.
That's not bad.
But it's crazy in America, it's 1400 US. They do jack it up internationally, which is a bit sad. 2500, like A74 is like 3.5k retail. It's got the modern menu system. So like these things are very nice. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking it. But like you can like flick it to the side, you can bring these in.
Oh, wow.
And I find it very convenient.
That's off the new A7.
It's on like the ZV cameras these days. All the new ones as well, which is
4K 100.
I feel like it's like a kid's fucking camera. We got it.
Oh my god, never doing that again. It's now time to try and get a decent photo. We've been doing a lot of bullshit shenanigans right now. Got the 7200 back on. Let's try and get this photo, man. I want a nice panning shot. Oh my god, my settings, man. Alright, we're good now. So at this point I'm spraying and praying, I'm shooting 1/20th of a second shutter, and these are the best panning shots I've gotten so far, but it's not looking very good. On the screen are all JPEGs because we can't access RAWs yet. I'm struggling. Oh man, I don't know man, I don't think I got very good shots. It's like in focus. Oh, when did I get this shot? Let's go.
That one. Bro, those crop sensor cameras go crazy.
I was just telling these guys it's a bit dark out here, so not gonna lie, I'm struggling a bit getting a high shutter shot, but man, this shot is actually in, man. Let's go. Dude, low-key I actually got a banger, man. This is crazy. Alright, so I've basically drained the entire A600 battery, and so far, sorry, what am I saying? A6700 battery. And so far, it's been pretty good. I think I got a few banger photos. It's been a bit rough, because I'm trying to get a panning shot. I don't know how to shoot cars at all. The videos look like they're going great, low light. The photos do struggle a bit if I want like a tack sharp, like get every water particle there. It is what it is, but that's an APS-C camera. But IBIS seems like it's doing a pretty good job. Photos, good job. Video, good job. It's the best value out there, as Gerald Undone says. But it's just fun time shooting right now. Bunch of cars, and let's keep going. I don't know what else we're gonna get, but boom. Alright, I don't know anything about cars, but that looks like a good car. Bro, I should brought a fucking drone, what the hell? Alright, let's get some banger video now. It is video time. Let's get that 160 here for some juicy shots. Get nice and low for some video. I've never shot a car in my life, so we're trying to do something right now. Oh my god, this looks sick. Oh my god, this hard game, this rotation. Oh my god. I just realized I didn't shoot any horizontal, so here we go. And this looks sick. Damn!
I don't want the silence. I've been overseas, being honest. They looking at me, choosing violence. Keep it on the low, I know that's the call. I don't want the silence. I've been overseas, looking honest. They looking at me, choosing violence. Yeah, keep it on the low, you know that's the call.
Alright, we are wrapping this up on the A6700 with an actual APS-C lens right now. And I think this camera has done a pretty damn good job. The photos, I think I got a few bangers there. Ever since the last kind of vlog, I've been shooting a bunch more stuff. Probably chuck a montage here, but overall, it looks pretty good. The IBIS is definitely better than what it was back in the day. With the A6600 and all those cameras, the IBIS was an earthquake. So it's good to see that now. At least you can walk with the camera and shoot some decently good stuff. So it's an amazing hybrid camera. I'd recommend anyone to use it, especially because it's got that 10-bit. I can definitely make some fire reels or whatnot with this footage. So keen, amazing camera. If you don't see me again, thank you for watching. More bangers coming up soon, and I'll catch you in the next one.